So I just got my exhaust installed and it sounds incredible.
Flashback.
It's my last day that I have the mid-muffler delete with the Dynamax race bullets. So since it's the last time with that setup, I wanted to get a couple more sound clips. It's not bad, but definitely not as loud as it's going to be. So right now I'm just getting a car wash, just try and clean the outside of my car and underneath my car so that when they actually work underneath my car to install my exhaust, it won't be full of like salt and just super dirty. So I just got my exhaust installed and it sounds incredible. It makes a huge difference in the sound. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but even just idling, it's so much louder and it's exactly the sound that I was going for. So let's go for a drive. So that's still just in normal mode with my windows up, and it sounds so much louder. I'll throw my windows down a little bit. So just off a stop. Just sounds so much better. I'll also throw in some clips that my friends took. The quality might not be the best. I don't know what happened, but when they filmed it, it was good. But then transferring to my phone, the quality just went way down. So you still hear it pretty good. And it can still ride pretty quietly when it goes in like 4-cylinder mode. So that's one good thing about it. And when I do want it to be loud, it can be loud. Alright, so let's put it in sports mode. Alright, I'll give it a full pull. Woo! Shit. Oh my god. That pop. It just puts a smile on your face, and oh my god, it's so much better. So if you're considering buying an exhaust for your Dodge Challenger RT, I definitely recommend getting this one. So that was just a quick video that I wanted to do since I just got my new exhaust, and it just sounds so good. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next ones, and I'll make sure to post a full video with some exhaust clips from outside of the car, so stay tuned to see that. Also, make sure to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and lets me know if you guys like watching my videos. So thanks everyone. Have a good one.